Hey there, green thumbs. Ever dreamed of biting into a juicy, homegrown papaya, bursting with tropical flavor? Well, today that dream becomes reality. First things first, choosing the right papaya. Look for a fully ripe papaya from a variety you love the taste of. Mexican or Hawaiian papayas are generally great for seed starting. Now the fun part, carefully cut open your chosen papaya. You'll see a bounty of black, slimy seeds. These are our treasures. Scoop out the seeds and separate them from the pulp. Don't worry about the slimy coating just yet, we'll deal with that next. Now we need to prep the seeds. The slimy coating inhibits germination, so rinse the seeds thoroughly under running water. Rub them gently between your fingers to remove as much of the coating as possible. Once they're clean, spread the seeds out on a paper towel in a cool, dry place. Allow them to dry completely for about a week. This prevents mold and ensures better germination rates. Rotate them at least once a day. You will know the seeds are ready when they completely dry and slightly harden. Alright, let's get planting. Grab some small pots about 3 to 4 inches in diameter and fill them with a well-draining potting mix. A mix designed for seedlings works best. Moisten the soil but don't soak it. Now place 3 to 4 seeds in each pot, about half an inch deep. Cover them gently with soil. Label your pots with the date. Place the pots in a warm location, ideally around 70 to 85 Fahrenheit. A heat mat can be helpful if your home is cooler. Cover the pots with a plastic wrap to lock in the humidity to help the seeds germinate. Patience is key. Papaya seeds can take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks to germinate. Once they sprout, provide them with plenty of sunlight and keep the soil consistently moist. Ensure good ventilation to prevent damping off. Once the seedlings have developed 2 to 3 true leaves, thin them out, leaving only the strongest seedling in each pot. As your seedlings grow, they'll need more space. Transplant them into larger pots as needed, gradually increasing the size. Water regularly, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Fertilize your papaya seedlings every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer, diluted to half strength. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids or spider mites. Treat them promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Papayas love sunlight, so once the temperature is consistently warm, you can gradually acclimate your papaya plant to outdoor conditions to get more sunlight. And there you have it. You've successfully grown a papaya from seed indoors. It takes a little time and care, but the reward of homegrown tropical goodness is well worth it. Remember to be patient, observant, and adjust your care as your papaya plant grows. With a little love, you'll be enjoying delicious papayas in no time. Happy gardening!